Hi, I'm Dorothy Kern, and I'm super excited to share about my new cookbook, Crazy for Cookies, Brownies, and Bars, where I'm going to share cookies and brownies, blondies, and bar cookie recipes, and so much more. Over the 10 years I've blogged, I've posted hundreds of cookie and bar recipes, and they're some of the most popular with my readers. My chocolate chip cookie recipe has been seen over 2.5 million times. One of my earliest memories is baking Mr. Cookie Man with my aunt, rolling out the dough and pressing in raisins for eyes. I also had a kids cookbook that came with brightly colored measuring spoons. I spent so much time making recipes from that book. My favorite, the chocolate chip cookies. This book is going to be full of so many different kinds of cookies and bars and everything in between. Plus, I'll be giving pro tips and hints for baking, ingredients and tools, and I'm even going to teach you how to freeze almost any cookie. And also a healthy dose of sprinkles because I'm obsessed, as you can see. I'm so excited about all the different kinds of cookies that will be in this book. Crazy cookies, frosted cookies, stuffed and sandwich. There's something for everyone, including my favorite brownies and bars, which are so easy to make. I'm even going to teach you how to make a 3-layer cookie cake for a birthday. And if you don't want to bake, no problem. I'm including no-bake cookies and bars too. Crazy for Cookies even has 3 easy dog cookie recipes you can bake for your furry friends. We all know that person who loves their dog more than people, right? When I asked my email subscribers about helping me test recipes, I got over 600 people offering to help. They're all in my inner circle, the Crazy Cookie Club, and will be helping to spread the word about cookies. I know that in this book, you're going to find a new favorite that will be made and handed down in your family for years, and that someday, somewhere, there will be a photo of a little boy or girl making one of my cookie recipes and inspiring another generation of crazy cookie lovers. Cheers, everyone. Time for some cookies. These are all for me.